In this video, we will walk you through the items included in the package and the usage instructions for DJI Mic Mini. DJI Mic Mini includes items such as transmitter, receiver, and charging case. The receiver can connect up to 2 transmitters. The products and accessories included may vary slightly depending on the set you purchase. Refer to the diagram below for details. Linking device. Before first use, refer to DJI Mimo app setup to update the device firmware to the latest version. The transmitter and receiver in the combos are linked by default. Follow the steps below to link the transmitter and receiver if they become unlinked. Method 1. If you purchase the combo with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, the devices will automatically power on and connect when taken out of the charging case. Method 2. Press and hold the power button on the side of the transmitter and receiver for 2 seconds to power on the devices. Then, press and hold the linking button on the transmitter for 2 seconds until the system status LED blinks blue and green alternately. Next, press and hold the linking button on the receiver for 2 seconds until the transmitter status LED blinks green rapidly. The status LEDs will turn solid green after successful linking. Rotate the dial on the receiver to adjust the volume. Press the power button on the transmitter to enable or disable noise cancellation. When enabled, the noise cancellation LED on the transmitter and the indicator on the front of the receiver will both remain solid yellow. Press the linking button on the receiver twice to switch between mono and stereo. When switched to stereo, the status LED on the receiver will remain solid cyan. When switched to mono, it will remain solid green. In outdoor or windy environments, use the windscreen to reduce wind noise and improve audio quality. Align the plastic base of the windscreen with the holes on the top of the transmitter, and then insert it into place. To remove it, lift the plastic base upward with your fingers. The transmitter can be attached to clothing using the clip and magnet, or can be placed on a stable surface using the magnet. Charging the device. If you purchase the combo with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, place the transmitters and receiver in the charging case to charge them simultaneously. If the charging case runs out of power, use the provided USB-C cable to recharge. For the 1 transmitter, 1 receiver combo, use the included charging cable to connect the charging dock and receiver. Then, place the transmitter on the charging dock. For the standalone transmitter, use the included charging dock and USB-C cable to charge.